Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be shopping and you guys are going to be shopping with me. So today is actually 10/10. That means sale sa Shopee. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be me wasting my hard-earned money. Let's check our cart first. Baka may nilagay ako dito na I'm actually really willing to buy. Ooh, this is kind of cute. This looks really nice with the fire thing coming from the bottom of the top. So what I do when I go shopping on Shopee is, if I like something, I check the ratings. I bet you guys do this too. Tapos i-check ko kung may actual photo. And based off of that, dun ko din decide if it's worth buying. Based on the actual photo on this, parang it's promising. Lately, the vibe has been either IG BADDIE or parang Ariana Grande na moonlight aesthetic. So it's the opposites for me. This would definitely fall into that BADDIE aesthetic that I like. Ooh, I've always wanted this. I have always wanted this and I don't know bakit di ko siya binibili. It's like 194 pesos. This top I also like, but it kind of looks like the other top that I want, which is this one. Ooh, this one's 315 and this one's 170. I might buy this one instead. This top is super cute. I have been seeing it everywhere ever since sinuot siya ni Lisa. Wait, I'll show you guys. See, Lisa has this top and it's on Shopee for 202 pesos. But my problem with tops like this is that ang laki ng boobs ko. So this handkerchief top might not look like this on me. Oh, the actual photos look really good. It's a cute top, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear it anywhere. Hindi ko siya masusuot sa office. Obviously, it's a handkerchief. Hindi ko rin siya masusuot sa mall kasi I'd be too fucking shy to walk around with a handkerchief on my chest. It's cute, but I don't think I can wear this. I don't know why I put this in my cart. I don't know if it's ugly or like super cute. But I remember putting this in my cart after I saw yung picture ni Joy from Red Velvet. Here, super cute. Ang cute talaga ni Joy. And then when I saw this, I was like, wow, I want a black dress. And then I went on Shopee looking for a black dress and this is what I found. I don't think it's gonna be the same effect. I have always wanted these pants talaga and I don't know why I always put off buying them. I remember really liking these kasi maganda yung ratings niya. It's 4.8 out of 5 and then yung actual photos niya look so legit. The comments are like, what you see is what you get. Definitely worth the money. Alright. Parang, wait. I have a collection of like outfits that I like here on Instagram and I remember, here. I found it. Oh my god, I found it. It's the exact same pants and the exact same top. So magagaya ko tong outfit na to and I can be a basic IG. Also, today is Maxine's birthday and me and Ace don't have a gift yet kasi we did not plan this. But alam na namin kung ano yung gusto namin bilhin for her and it's yung cushion from Nicara. So, I'm going to buy that now. Maxine, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry that our gift is so late kasi I'm ordering it legit on your birthday. So, bibili ako ng N22 for Maxine. And bibili din ako ng N20 for myself. These pants look super interesting and I feel like I'm so attracted to these pants because I keep seeing them on Lisa. She always wears pants na parang mukha siyang shorts and then it's cut at the thighs and then parang naka-strap lang yung lower part ng pants dun sa shorts and this looks like that. 18 sold and 4.8 yung ratings, which is pretty good. But I feel like it's risky kasi nga pants need a very specific cut for it to look nice on you. But also, I can make a video na ginagaya ko yung outfits ni Lisa and this would definitely be useful for that video. But would I really buy something just for a video? Parang ang daming laman ng cart ko. Tinan mo, 12,726 yung nasa cart ko as of now. But yung legit willing akong bilhin, parang onti lang talaga. Alright, so that is it for now. I have the rest of the day tomorrow to finalize kung anong talaga yung bibilin ko and to check Shopee again if may idadagdag pa ako sa cart. For the clothes na bibilin ko, I will also try them on for you guys and give you guys a quick little review. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Hi guys! So the Shopee orders have finally arrived. I ordered a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clothing items and 1 non-clothing item. But today we are going to be trying on and sort of reviewing the clothing items that I ordered. We're going to see if worth it ba siya dun sa price niya and kung kamukha niya ba yung picture dun sa Shopee and other things like that. So let's get started. So the first item is this top that I'm wearing right now. It's a sheer mesh fabric with this fire flame print. I think because of the print, it's a bit of a statement top. So kahit na shorts lang yung suot mo or simply lang yung outfit mo, if this is the top, it would look like you tried a little bit harder with your outfit. So I love this. I ordered a size that's pretty sakto naman on me. Pero if I were given the chance to order again, I would order a size smaller just so it's a little bit more fit sa katawan ko. So yeah, I love this top. Very worth it for its price kasi naalala ko mura lang to. From the same shop, I ordered another top that looks very similar to the top I'm wearing right now. So it's also a sheer mesh top na meron ding fire flame details, but this time it's in blue. And ito naman, long sleeves. I think it looks super badass and again, it's a statement top that can make a simple outfit really look like you tried hard. So for this item on Shopee, I do remember that ito yung walang size chart. I checked the pictures and the description. So I just ordered the largest size. I think it was large or extra large. So this is a little bit big on me. Again, for tops like this, gusto ko sana fit siya sa katawan ko. But other than that, I really like this top. If you guys do order this from the same shop that I ordered, medyo guessing game siya kasi nga walang size chart. But it's super cute and very worth it for its price kasi mura din to, like this top. Wish ko lang sana na turtleneck yung top na to and hindi siya cut lang like this. But other than that, I'm really satisfied with this top. So the next item that I bought is this checkered top. Well, technically bodysuit siya. And I love this top. I love that it's cut straight at the middle and na black lang siya on one side and checkered on the other side. It kind of does look like what it does in the photos. Feel ko kakaiba lang yung fabric niya from what was shown in the pictures. But the fabric is pretty nice. It's very stretchy. For this top, it's not super big on me. Sakto lang naman siya. But again, gusto ko sana na mas fit siya sa katawan mo, especially dahil ang stretchy naman ng fabric. But other than that, I love this top. Feel ko pwede ako mag-chest on this side. From the same shop, I ordered some pants. I ordered the Lisa pants and let me just say that this was a very interesting buy. So it looks like this. So for the fabric, first of all, the fabric is really nice. It does look like what it does in the photo, but same with this top. Feel ko ibang fabric yung nasa photo and ibang fabric yung makukuha nyo. But nonetheless, the fabric is pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can see. For the design, it's not as high-waisted as you would expect. Kasi dun sa picture, parang ang high-waisted niya na nasa waist talaga tong band. It'll fall just at your hips. So just take note of that. So for the cut, it'll cut midway siguro your thighs. So hindi naman siya super short. I actually like this buckle detail kung saan siya nagka-cut. I think it's super cute. You can actually unclasp the buckles. Tapos pwedeng shorts na lang siya. Overall, I actually am really satisfied with this order. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko masusuot yung pants na to ever. But if you are someone who is into this type of style, I think it may really be worth your money. So for this next item, technically I ordered it through Instagram, pero the shop is on Shopee. I ordered it on Instagram kasi this specific item wasn't in their Shopee catalog and I don't know why. So it is this top and cardigan set, which I think is super cute and it matches my pant. Out of all the items that I bought, this is one of the most worth it for me kasi it's a set. So it's this straight neck top and this matching cardigan for 260 pesos, which I think is super sulit. It's super cute, reminds me of something that Jenny might wear if nagtitipid siya. I might buy the other colors just because it's so cute and super sulit for me. For the last item that I bought from Shopee, it is these pants. that I'm wearing right now. I actually pretty like these pants. So it's this fire red color that matches this top as I showed you guys in the photo, with black mesh at the knees and this silver zipper that actually really does unzip. So it also has a zipper here down in the middle at the waist and zippers for the pockets at the sides, but there are no pockets, which is totally fine. Pero it would have been better if there really were pockets. Regarding the fabric, I'm not sure if it's the same or different, but either way, these pants look like how they do in the photos. They are pretty thin though, so mag-ingat ka na lang kapag suot mo to because it is pretty thin. Feel ko kapag nag-tumbling ka, baka may tendency na mapunit. For the size, I picked a size that's pretty okay on me. Medyo sakto naman siya. The only area that it's not super sakto is at the waist. It's just a tiny bit loose, but it's completely fine. Overall, I think that these pants are pretty worth it for its price. It did take a little bit longer than all of my other orders. This was the order that came in last. It did take about 2 weeks for it to arrive. So, kailangan patient ka pag in-order mo to. But I think, again, that it's worth it. Alright guys, so that concludes my little Shopee shopping adventure. I had so much fun shopping and filming this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Maybe comment down below kung anong kinds of videos you guys would like to see from me next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, and subscribe!